Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into two transformative stories that are reshaping the global energy landscape. First, Rivian has secured an unprecedented $6.6 billion loan agreement from the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, to construct a cutting-edge electric vehicle, EV, manufacturing facility in Georgia. Meanwhile, across the globe in Australia, Plug Power and Allied Green Ammonia, AGA, are partnering on a groundbreaking project to deploy a 3 GW electrolyzer system powered by a 4.5 GW solar farm. These two ambitious projects represent significant strides toward achieving a sustainable energy future. Let's start by exploring Rivian's DOE-backed initiative. The $6.6 billion loan will fund the construction of a state-of-the-art EV manufacturing facility in Stanton Springs, North Georgia, near the city of Social Circle. Rivian's new plant will serve as a cornerstone for producing its next-generation R2 platform, which includes more affordable electric vehicles designed to appeal to a broader market. The facility is expected to create approximately 7,500 new jobs, offering a significant boost to the local economy while advancing the United States' position as a leader in EV production. What sets this facility apart is its focus on sustainability and innovation. Rivian is planning to integrate advanced robotics, artificial intelligence-driven assembly lines, and renewable energy sources into its operations. This approach ensures not only efficient production but also minimal environmental impact. The plant will be designed to meet the growing demand for electric trucks, SUVs, and delivery vans while demonstrating that large-scale manufacturing can align with sustainability goals. Rivian's ambitious timeline includes breaking ground on the facility soon, with full-scale production anticipated to begin by 2026. The company's vision for this plant extends beyond vehicle manufacturing. It represents a commitment to creating a new standard for environmentally friendly industrial practices. By coupling advanced technology with renewable energy, Rivian is setting a precedent for the future of EV manufacturing. Meanwhile, on the other side of the world, Plug Power and Allied Green Ammonia are embarking on a revolutionary project in Australia. The centerpiece of their collaboration is a 3 GW electrolyzer system powered by a massive 4.5 GW solar farm. This facility is expected to produce approximately 2,700 metric tons of green ammonia daily, making it one of the largest and most advanced green hydrogen and ammonia production facilities globally. The green ammonia produced at this facility will primarily be exported to Europe and Asia, where demand for low-carbon industrial inputs is rapidly increasing. Ammonia, a critical component in fertilizers, shipping fuels, and other industrial applications, has traditionally been produced using fossil fuels, resulting in significant carbon emissions. This project replaces those carbon-intensive methods with green hydrogen, produced through the electrolysis of water using renewable solar energy. By eliminating emissions from the production process, the Plug Power AGA facility is setting a new benchmark for sustainable industrial practices. Australia's abundant solar resources make it an ideal location for such an ambitious project. This initiative not only supports Australia's renewable energy goals but also positions the country as a major player in the global green hydrogen economy. The project aligns with international decarbonization efforts, including Europe's goal of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 55% by 2030 and Asia's aggressive clean energy targets. By exporting green ammonia, the facility contributes directly to these global objectives, demonstrating the interconnected nature of the clean energy transition. While Rivian's EV facility and Plug Power's green ammonia project might seem worlds apart, they share a common goal: driving the global shift towards sustainable energy solutions. Both projects are examples of how innovation and collaboration can tackle some of the most pressing challenges of our time. Rivian's DOE-supported initiative highlights the role of public-private partnerships in advancing clean transportation, while Plug Power and AGA's collaboration demonstrates the potential of industry alliances to scale renewable hydrogen production. The economic implications of these projects are equally profound. Rivian's new facility is poised to transform the local economy in Georgia by creating thousands of direct and indirect jobs. From construction workers and engineers to logistics and operations specialists, the project will have a ripple effect across the region, contributing to economic growth and stability. Additionally, Rivian's focus on producing more affordable EVs through its R2 platform will make sustainable transportation accessible to a larger consumer base, further expanding its market share. Similarly, the Plug Power AGA facility in Australia will generate significant economic benefits. The project is expected to create jobs during its construction phase and provide long-term employment opportunities once operational. By exporting green ammonia to high-demand markets in Europe and Asia, the facility will strengthen Australia's economy while contributing to global energy security. These economic gains are a testament to the transformative potential of investing in clean energy infrastructure. The environmental benefits of these initiatives cannot be overstated. Rivian's electric vehicles are a critical part of reducing transportation emissions, one of the largest sources of greenhouse gases globally. By expanding its production capacity, Rivian is enabling more consumers and businesses to transition to zero-emission vehicles. This shift will play a crucial role in achieving climate goals, such as the US's commitment to reaching net zero emissions by 2050. On the other hand, the Plug Power AGA project addresses emissions from the industrial sector, which accounts for a significant share of global carbon output. By producing green ammonia using renewable energy, the facility eliminates the emissions associated with traditional ammonia synthesis. This innovation is particularly important for sectors like agriculture and shipping, where decarbonization has been historically challenging. Both projects also underscore the importance of innovation in overcoming logistical and technical challenges. For Rivian, the integration of renewable energy into its manufacturing processes represents a bold step forward in sustainable industrial practices. Meanwhile, Plug Power's electrolyzer technology demonstrates the scalability of green hydrogen production, proving that renewable hydrogen can meet the demands of large-scale industrial applications. The global significance of these initiatives extends beyond their immediate impacts. Rivian's DOE-backed loan and Plug Power's partnership with AGA are paving the way for a more sustainable future, inspiring similar projects worldwide. By showcasing the feasibility and economic viability of clean energy solutions, these projects are catalyzing a broader shift toward sustainability in industries ranging from transportation to manufacturing and agriculture. In conclusion, Rivian's new EV manufacturing facility in Georgia and Plug Power's green ammonia project in Australia are transformative efforts that highlight the potential of clean energy innovation. Both initiatives demonstrate that sustainability and economic growth can go hand in hand, setting new benchmarks for the industry and inspiring a global movement toward decarbonization. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of clean energy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on electric vehicles, green hydrogen, and the latest breakthroughs in sustainable energy. Together, we can explore how these advancements are transforming our world. See you in the next video. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.